Karista ngayon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Baguio City. Siguro we're gonna stay here at around mga 45 minutes lang. This is our first leg ng ating North Luzon Loop. Ito ang first stop natin, Baguio City. Medyo mainit pero traffic pa rin. So, up to the next stop. Bye!